And this is what next thing I'm going to talk about. Vaccines are probably in the class of drugs and chemicals you can get from a doctor or pharmacy, is probably the safest thing for a very specific reason. In many ways, and this is going to be my next point, vaccines are probably the most natural medication, if you want to call it that you can even dream of, right? Or biologic. Because unlike other stuff, for the most part, most vaccines, to use a metaphor, one way or another, are simply giving you the corpse of the virus that you're trying to address. Give you the thumb, the nose, the ankle, the feet of the virus, and then that's injected into you, and your body is confused and mistakes the nose and the feet for the real virus, and then creates antibodies, natural antibodies that you make from your bone marrow. Vaccines are probably the only thing that your doctor would ever give you that you yourself will participate in actually doing the cure or protecting yourself from the actual disease. When you get chemotherapy, when you get Advil, Motrin, Tylenol, your body is not really involved. That medication literally goes into the cellular level and blocks what it's going to block. I almost put it in a naturopathic holistic category, because you're giving someone something so their own body will develop antibodies towards it. And so when you do see the virus, that vaccine is gone. The only thing fighting the virus when you actually get to meet the virus is your body's natural immune system. We always see these commercials, boost your immune system, take this thing and you'll boost your immune, and take this antioxidant and drink pomegranate juice and do whatever you're going to do, which is all great. But that's all meant to boost you. Take this antioxidant, it'll boost this and it'll boost that. Well, that's what vaccines do. They should be in the same category. They should be sold at health food stores, because on some level, that's what they are. They're just boosting your own natural immunity. Yet, for some reason, they never get that rap. They never get the rap of, hey, I should see it. They should be selling vaccines. Instead, we're being sold vaccines at CVS and Walgreens, like real pharmacies. Instead of that, they should be giving vaccines at naturopathic stores and other places. Obviously, I'm joking around, but that's exactly my point. Vaccines, it's a little ironic that I actually think there should be Facebook groups of people who are against Tylenol, because that's a real drug and it can cause side effects.